head.
I'm gonna call him a chicken.
You goddamn chicken head.
Chocolate rain. Makes a mess of Josh's day. Chocolate rain.
It's really hard getting in the chocolate rain.
I felt so good.
Shut up,
This is a
chicken head.
sink.
I called seat check, and I have home field advantage.
Chocolate rain.
Oh,
It's not like a chicken head now.
oh.
Makes a mess of Josh's day. Chocolate rain.
Oh, shit! No! 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 Oh, no! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Get away from me! Stop it! I can taste
That
it!
shit. That's poisonous.
I hate you! Alright, hey!
Drum soda.
No! Stop! Stop!
Why didn't you warn me there was Oust right there? Oh my god.
Why did you want to do that in the first
It was
place?
Kelly's idea to begin with.
Get out of my seat!
She's trying to get her.
Turn that fucking camera off!
Ah, there's Oust in